Okay, you guys are going to start with the Machinist Key Way. So you're going to click on Open, and you're going to go to your Z drive, Shared Drive, Engineering and Design. You're going to go to the Pre-Engineering folder, and you're going to go to the packet CAD 1, Intro Packet, or not Intro Packet, I'm sorry. You're going to Drawing Packet 1, and you're going to open up the Machinist Key Way. When this opens up, you're going to see some information here. Okay, you can take a minute to read this. It's going to tell you to go through, and step 1 is to press D, enter, and then step 2 is choose modify. I'm going to go through this here. And then when it says you're all said and done, you're going to click up here for the layers, and you're going to turn the tips off after you read that. All right, it asks you to hit D, enter, and then it asks you to click on modify. And then underneath here where it says lines, symbols, and arrows, right here, symbols and arrows, it wants you to change that to line. And then click OK. All right, we're ready to start drawing. This drawing is fairly simple. It's 3 steps. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to draw a circle that is a diameter of 2. So up here where it says circle, we're going to hit the down arrow, and we're going to go to center diameter. We're going to click and pull, make sure it's a diameter of 2. Okay, remember that we can double click on here to see if it's correct, and we have a diameter of 2. I'm going to turn my O-snaps on as well. I would like to have my endpoint, midpoint, my center, okay, and intersection on for right now, and those are just going to be constantly running as we learned in class. The next thing we need to do is we need to make the keyway. As you refer to here, we need to create this part that's going to come up and then over 1/4 of an inch. It comes up 1/4 and it goes out 1/4. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the line command, and I'm going to start right up here, the line command, and I'm looking for quadrant. So I'm going to go shift right click, create as command in AutoCAD quadrant. I'm going to click on the quadrant, and I'm going to draw a line with ortho on, F8, up 1/4 of an inch. I'm going to come over 1/4 of an inch, and then I'm going to come down. Come all the way down, and now I have it. All right, I could do the same thing. I could either mirror that, or I could draw over 1/4 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch, enter, and I come down, and I want to come past the line, and I am done. Step 3 is trimming the circle. We're going to click on the trim command. I'm holding this down, and we don't want any of this stuff in there. All right, we're almost done. I'm going to change my layer to the object or the center layer, and the last thing I need to do is make the center mark. The center mark is on annotate center mark, and I'm going to click right on here, and I've made my center mark red, and this drawing is done. You're going to click on save, and you're just going to leave it, and you're going to actually do save and save this into your use this folder. Save, you got to go to the Z drive and put it in your use this folder. My drive, just like you guys have, I have a use this folder just like you guys do. Use this and save it as the Machinist Keyway, your initials, MM. And that's it.